I'm going to show you how to roll up an extension cord, electrical cord, the proper way. Instead of a giant mess, this is always easy to untangle. Let me show you how slick this is. No tangles, no problems. This is the way to do it. Let's show you how you start. So, get down to you double up the cord. Make sure both ends are right there. Then you go all the way back down to the bottom. Okay, you take your inwards folded, loop it around. Okay, and you've got your loop. Then you start making a daisy chain. Okay, and you just keep doing that. So this is a great way to store it so that cords don't get all tangled up. And the best part is, let's say you got a 50-foot cord, which this is a 50-foot cord, and you only need, like a foot, 6 foot. You can just pull out 6 feet and you still got the rest of the cord, and you can use it just like that. So there you go. That's how you fold up a cord.
Yep.